Mikey, it's been over 4 days in this sentencing. What do you have to say? I see how you're playing this, Mikey. Playing hard to get. Doing a little silent treatment. I can tell you one thing, though. In this office, that's not how it's gonna... Hello? Yeah. Friends, I get it. Alright, one sec. I'm leaving you in charge of him. Don't listen to anything he says. And I want you to call me if anything happens. Alright? Chin up. See you later. What's up?
Hey, look, a turtle.
I like turtles.